Need to send money in a different currency via Western Union? Western Union allows you to specify the payout currency for many international transfers. In this guide, I'll show you how to change or select the currency when sending money with Western Union. When you're initiating a transfer, whether at a Western Union agent location, on their website, or through their app, you'll typically be asked to specify the receive country first. After selecting the receive country, you'll often see an option to choose the payout currency or receive currency. Western Union will display the available currencies for that specific country. Some countries might only have one available currency, while others offer multiple options. Finally, once you select the payout currency, Western Union will show you the exchange rate that will be applied to your transfer and the total amount the recipient will receive in that currency, along with any fees. Always double-check the exchange rate before confirming the transfer. And there you have it. Changing currency in Western Union is part of the transfer process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.